Hello, my crypto legends. How is everyone doing? Let's dive in straight into the content, guys. Let's see what is going to happen. There is a little bit of a relief rally going on. Not getting too excited. We are in a very aggressive downtrend, but it is not looking too bad here for a relief rally. We do have some major resistance levels at $42,000. We can explain you why there's a huge resistance at this range. We are currently hitting a daily level, getting rejected from that range, and we're also going to analyze here what other major levels we do have as resistance. As you know, the $42,000 huge major level where we did get a reaction here, as you can see on the price action, and we do have a big spike on the VPVR. Now I am in a long position from 38.8k level. I'm already protected my position, okay, because I do see that volatility coming. Okay, this is not a moment to be excited and not a moment to go extremely long. If so, you might be wanting to go short at these resistance levels depending on how we react. So I do see that volatility. I do see us going below $39,000. Let's see. I would be very interested to see how the price action does react at those levels, if there's going to be enough power for the bears to break below here this $39,000 with success. Because you know the deal, when we have been going down for such a long, not a long time, but very, very steep, very aggressive, this is not going to aggressive drop like this. It's very, very unlikely you're going to see these type of relief rallies. And if we are looking for any opportunities now in the next coming days, if we do manage to get above to $42,000 or slightly above that range, there is a, biggest resistance here is the 44.5. If it does get above that range, then this is also the 618. Okay, from this level, okay, approximately 618 with a little bit of volatility. Fibonacci range from this high to the lows, you can see 618 right over here, round about that 44.5k range. So that is definitely going to be a major resistance level. We're still very far away from that range, so let's not talk too bullish. Let's take a look at the scenarios here where we could react. Okay, so yeah, let's go through, S&P 500. I do see the S&P 500 also having a relief rally from this range. Okay, it looks like that we're forming a kind of a descending broadening wedge. Okay, this is the S&P 500 on the 4 hourly. We do see some inflation news. Okay, at 8.5, it's the highest, since 4 decades, which is absolutely insane. I think people, are gonna maybe go back into stocks, go back into I know that in the hikes are not gonna be extremely high during the year. It's it's 0.25. They say they want to put it higher. I don't think that is not going to happen anytime soon. If we are going to see any type of recession, in my personal opinion, it would be somewhere around 2023, because we do have the election year also, okay, which should be around about November if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. So I think they are going to try and make things that are okay, right? So no stock market crash yet, in my opinion. A lot of people are calling for stock market crashes, and a stock market crash happens when no one is expecting it, right? So we're going to take a look at the DXY, which has been absolutely exploding. How far can the DXY, pump? It is looking absolutely crazy. We can take a look at the DXY also. And what I want to do today is, okay, first of all, I need you guys to absolutely smash that like button. Okay, I'll smash it with you. 180 people watching at this moment. I know I have some moderators here in the chat. I got Joseph and I got Joseph basically. So thank you very much for joining the live stream. I want to do the giveaway. Okay, also yesterday's video, it was 1,500 likes and a comment down below the video for you to be eligible for the giveaway. I've just realized there are quite a lot of scam comments, and obviously stay cautious, don't pay attention to them. I try and delete them once in a while, and I've just realized that this video has scam comments. So if the scam comment comes up, then we'll just go to the next one, till it is a legit comment. So This is going to be done in 10 minutes, the giveaway. If you haven't commented in the video from yesterday, down below, you need to comment down below from the video yesterday so you are eligible. You still got 10 minutes if you haven't done. You don't need to smash up the like button because the like button has gone to over 1,500 likes. You just need to comment down below so you're eligible. The giveaway will be done in 10 minutes. Okay, we're going to pick a random comment here. So make sure to do that, guys. And let's go through the comment section. What's going on with Bitcoin? What levels? I'm going to go through the comment section first of all. I know there's a lot of altcoins that you want me to take a look. Bulls have been released. They are going to give it to you, says Summit. Well, I wouldn't get too excited. I wouldn't get too excited just yet. Cancel stream, bears are back. It doesn't matter. Bear, you know, going down or up, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Hi, Andy, you have been amazing with your TA. Appreciate it. Well, thank you very much. I'm trying just to make this, you know, educational, look at probabilities, look at levels. I'm just giving it to you here. So I'm glad you appreciate it. Thank you very much. Travel with Thar, welcome to the community. Thank you for everything. Andy says, Hanshul, you're very welcome. Den says, let's go. Joseph, thank you for joining. How are you doing, my man? Let's go here through the comment section. Hello, can you analyze GMT, please? Opened a short position at 2.2, took profit already, but do you think it will reach 1.6? Too much buying pressure. Let's take a look at GMT token. A lot of people hyped up with this. Is it earn to walk or something like that? Earn to walk. Earn to move kind of cryptocurrency, and you know they've listed it on a bunch of exchanges, and of course it has had that kind of hype, right? It has been pumping, you know, pretty crazy. So I mean, there's not much data on this one, so I mean, we want to find tokens with nice data here so we can take a look at the levels. Yeah, I mean, not much to say about this one. You're in a short position from 2.2. Will it hit 1.6? Very hard to say. Very hard to say. It's finding a nice consolidation at this range. Note that this has been a major resistance zone. Look how many candles here on the 4 hourly tried to get above the $2.10, right? In massive big rejections here. So finally broke it successfully. This is why we are getting these kind of supports. We are just range trading in between $2.60 and $2.05 basically. So this is a nice range to actually trade. If you ask me, yeah, this is potentially going to get a bounce from this level, okay? Yeah, it's potentially going to get a bounce from this level. It's created lower lows right there, slightly higher lows. It might get a bounce from this range. So yeah, not much to add on this one. It would be nice to see more price data, but we've only got this range. It's just a nice consolidation so far. It's looking pretty nice. It's holding this range. A lot of volume on the VPVR, of course, because it's a whole range. So not much to add on this, not much to add on GMT. We haven't got too much price data to take a look at major levels. Racing Pixel, hello. Stephanie, hi. Bitcoin, of course, let's take a look at Bitcoin. What's important with Bitcoin? Well, I mean, I could just zoom in here quickly on the 1 hourly. We were taking a look at this, you know, kind of descending triangle. Yeah, kind of a descending triangle right there. We did break resistance. So are we going to manage to go to higher levels? Let's just go to the 1 hourly. Volume looks okay. We've had a nice little breakout. We've broken out a major range, so volume is pretty good. It's currently getting rejection from this major daily level, just under $41,000. A good thing about this is that we've broken above the nice range here on the VPVR. This level could be very strong support. So there might be a scenario here where we do get that retracement back down to 40,100 and maybe get a reaction here and then a next leg up, okay? Now, I'm not insanely bullish. I'm just looking at the potential retracement. Then, of course, we're going to start hitting major levels. If the price does manage to get above and hit the $42,000, I mean, that level is absolutely crazy. It is crazy strong resistance, which is this range over here. Okay, so definitely a level to consider and take profits if you are longing down over here. I am still in my long position that I did create down over here at the just below $39,000. Already protected because I do see us rolling back down, getting some volatility. Okay, this is not the best moment for trading, of course, but I am pretty confident about this range. Okay, that's a very, very strong level. I've showed you on my videos how, you know, this is the biggest point of control from the volume, from the price action traded in between January and till today. So it's over 3 months of range trading. Okay. And, you know, the biggest level is exactly at 38.8, 39, okay, K levels. And we just hit that level, got a nice bounce. So, yeah, I do see us try an attempt to breaking down this range. And we've also got that bullish bat pattern that I have been talking about, right? Bullish bat pattern here. Everything connects to perfection. And even though, you know, we could have gone slightly lower here. We could have gone slightly lower, like I mentioned, to that 38.8, which is the biggest point of control. So I would be even more bullish if the price action, you know, rolls back down, tries to and attempts to break this zone with a couple of wicks. Then I'll say, look, the bears haven't got any steam. They just can't push the price lower. Of course, trying to catch a falling knife is very dangerous. This consolidation already looked pretty good. That's why I entered a very small position. I'm willing to add to that position, depending on what kind of volatility we do have that at this range. But so far we are pumping a little bit, but I'm not too confident with this pump. Big resistance we do have above us. Now, the proper target of this bat pattern is the 618 from the C point. From this, you know, we got the drop to the B point, to the C, and then the D. And the C point starts right over here around about the 47.4 range. And the real target is the 618, okay, which would be around about the 44.2, 44.3, approximately around that level, which is huge resistance. I do see Bitcoin potentially trying to attempt to hit those levels, you know, by next week. All right. Just as a relief rally, just as a major bounce, I would consider taking profits at the 42.2, which is the 382 Fibonacci retracement. It's big resistance, and we've also got an insane spike of volume on the VPVR, which will be heavy resistance, no doubt about that. So, I mean, those are my two potential targets of this long. This is if I don't get stopped out at break even. So this is the thing. If we roll back down, it is totally safe. Stopped out at break even. I will check the kind of price action that we do have at $39,000, just to in case I wanted to re-enter a long position. And if we hit 42, then happy days. I'll be taking profits at those levels, protecting my position, 50% profit. If we do manage to break it, next profit range would be 45.5, because I do see, you know, very strong resistance. Very likely roll back down at that range. Till that happens, still got a long time. It might be a few days, it might be next week. So anyway, that's just a little bit of my opinion here that I do have on Bitcoin. Of course, we have the bearish case scenario right now, just, you know, hitting the below $41,000, rolling back down, hitting $42,000, rolling back down. You know, I see these scenarios. I see 3 of these scenarios happening right now. So, and then I would be interesting at this level. Once we come back down, let's see how it reacts. So that is my game plan here, guys. Just wanted to point that out, and that's my Bitcoin analysis basically. So yeah, hey Andy, hope you're doing well. There is actually a way to automatically remove those scammy comments. I mean, yes, well, I need that. Definitely let me know. Okay, join the Telegram, Sayad. If you haven't already, tag me, because I know I could do some research on removing those scammy comments. But thank you. If you got a shortcut for that, absolutely, just tag me on the Telegram and let me know. That would be very much appreciated. Liked Smash says Jacob, thank you. Joseph, thanks for the insane support. Dear Andy, can we please check Digibyte, says Bufo. Absolutely, let's take a look at Digibyte. I was a Digibyte holder, but I'm not anymore. I remember buying at just about 1 cent and sold at 4 cents. And it did actually go to 14 cents. So yeah, didn't sell the high. I sold almost the bottom, but still in profits. Long time since I bought Digibyte. Just got tired of that crypto. And it's a pretty cool blockchain project, proof of work. But anyway, I don't know why it just hasn't been performing too well. So let's take a look at Digibyte. Digibyte did have some pretty nice pumpy action, you know, the last week of March, which was phenomenal. Big retracement right now. So, big rejection at this, you know, summer low of 2021 right there. You know, big zone trying to get above that major level. I mean, one of the reasons why we are getting supported at this 2 cent range is the massive big spike on the VPVR. Digibyte has been trading here, you know, almost the entire year of 2020, at least the last 3 quarters. All this range, this is why you have this spike. So it's had the hype and it came all the way down to floor prices. It doesn't look too bad. If you want my honest opinion, this doesn't look too bad at all for a potential another bounce and a retest of the 4 cent level. Okay, it does look like a nice spike on volume. You know, we're just having, you know, this major, slightly lower lows right there. Big spike in volume, consolidation. I think a retest from these highs is very, very possible. Very, very possible, I think, in the next coming days. This is on the daily chart. So if we zoom on the 4-hourly chart, volume seems great. Just a nice consolidation here, retracement. Yeah, it looks pretty solid in my opinion. This is the 4-hourly chart. Nice range over here that we should get supported from this big consolidation area. So yeah, this level looks pretty good. I'm not sure if you're bullish, I'm not sure if you trade it, but yeah, I think it's probably another good place to accumulate some Digibyte. Looks pretty solid. I think we must be hitting around about the 618 from the pump. We're slightly below the 618 range. From these ultimate lows, you could count this low. You could count the ultimate low, but yeah, around about this range. 618, nice volume on the VPVR down here. A lot of volume or as resistance on a VPVR. Not that much though. We've got more volume as support. So yeah, Digibyte doesn't look too bad for a potential retest of 4 cents. Right, CHZ is pumping on its own. Let's take a look at CHZ, which would be Chili's if I'm not wrong. Right, yeah, by the looks of things, Chili's might be trying to get supported from this range. I mean, looks pretty okay. It looks pretty okay. Reason why is because you have macro lower highs. You did manage to break, you know, have a nice explosive breakout the last week of March. We basically retrace into those levels with a little bit of volatility. You are seeing that reaction right now. We are seeing that reaction. So, I mean, I think the probabilities on Chili's getting a bounce from this range is you know, very possible. Very possible. Yes, indeed. Big resistance though. Big resistance on the VPVR at the 26 cent level. So we might create a lower high if we do get to this range. It is also a major level here on Chili's. Let me just show you here the 26 cents, 26, 27. It's the low part from this spike. And this is usually big resistance when you do create a lower high and you do come back and retest it. You usually get a big rejection. in the case of chilies. So 26, 27 cents, you know, if you are thinking of longing this range, you know, that is definitely a take profit area, because you could roll down from this 27 cent level. Right, let me just go here through the comment section. I am long from 39.4 with 1 BTC. Travel with THAR. Absolutely phenomenal. Great. Stay cautious. Protect your capital. It could get really volatile and messy. But so far, you know, I kind of like this kind of price action for Bitcoin. It doesn't look too bad. It looks pretty good. Remember, you know, with the aggressive drops that we have been having, you know, you get really bearish, right? This is, you know, I remember about 3 days ago when we were trading, you know, well above $43,000, you know, people were still very, very bullish. I had 71% of people extremely bullish. Yesterday it was about 53, 52. So yeah, you know, all the bullishness has gone down. So a lot of people more bearish at these levels. This is it. We're going to hit 37, you know, $30,000, $35,000. Yeah, no, I don't think so. I still don't think so. We do have a chance here to consolidate and get a big relief rally, and then we'll go from there. Let's see how we react. So please TA for Ethereum 2 says Tuor Yof Yaf. Absolutely. Let's take a look at Ethereum right away and see what's going on with Ether. See what's going on with Ethereum. Ethereum, funny enough, it did manage to hold the $3,000 range. We dipped slightly below it, hitting 2,950, but it was a major level that, you know, I had marked up here. I mean, it still looks pretty good. It looks pretty good to create a higher low. That is the thing, you know. I mean, this insane run up that we did have in March, you know, breaking lower highs, it was just a change of structure totally. So the probabilities in creating a higher low here in between 2,800 and 3,000, I think it's just very, very high. Very, very high, breaking major downtrend structure. So, you know, we were pumping harder than actually dropping in April. We were pumping harder in March than actually this drop, even though it looks pretty aggressive. So yeah, it's just solid level, the $3,000, nice round number, solid level here. Big level of resistance that's turning into support right now. We are getting that reaction, and I think we must be hitting around about the 50% retracement from this consolidation when we started the run up. So from this low to the high, yeah, just slightly below 50%. 618 is all the way down at 2,900. It's a major solid level where we could get supported. Let's see what Bitcoin does, because yeah, I'm basically eyeing Bitcoin for any of the for basically the altcoin moves. Right, let me just go through the comment section because I do have a super chat. Let me go through the super chat right away. Hang on a second. Davo, how are you doing, my man? I know Davo's here. Joseph, thank you guys for joining the live stream. Let's take a look at Kadena. 1 day, please, says Indian Kitchen. Absolutely. Let's take a look at Kadena. And then we're going to do the giveaway, guys. If you haven't commented yesterday's video with over 1,500 likes, make sure to do that right now, because I will be doing the random giveaway in 2 minutes. 2 minutes after Kadena. Okay. Let's see who is the winner. Kadena absolutely failed my analysis, basically. If we take a look at the daily, I mean, it does have a good chance to bounce from this range. I was looking at this, you know, it's an extremely volatile crypto. I mean, look at this massive big wick on the daily. You know, look at these huge big pumps and retracements. It's absolutely insane. I was looking at these lower highs right over here. It did look like that we were kind of popping out from this retracement. I did long here before the breakout, but got stopped out at break even. No profits on this whatsoever. But on the daily, you know, this is such a strong, solid range, and you just can see it here with the price action. Such a big, strong level here on Kadena around the $5 range that, you know, how many times we've held this level. Does this mean it's getting weaker and weaker and we're going to break down? I mean, this is very, very possible. This is kind of the Bitcoin chart back in 2018, where it kind of is in a massive kind of descending triangle. And then you finally have the last dip before you actually floor down and then you start pumping. So yeah, it all depends on the general market sentiment. But if you are bullish on Kadena, I am bullish on Kadena, you know, this is definitely a range to start accumulating, right? So on the daily, you know, this is floor level. It is kind of creating still higher lows. It is creating higher lows here. But if we zoom in here on the 4 hourly on Kadena, let's just zoom in on the 4 hourly. I just want to show you how we have broken a significant level here on Kadena, where I do think that, you know, if Kadena does manage to get to the $6 range, we are only 40 cents away. We are currently trading at $5.60. If we start hitting $6, that is a major resistance level. Okay, $6.10. It's not going to be easy for Kadena to break above this range. We might have another rollback down. So yeah, not much to add here on Kadena. Just a nice long consolidation. It's creating slightly higher lows. This is the only thing that looks okay on Kadena. We had a nice higher low right over here. We lost it, but it's just range trading in between this level. I think a relief rally up to $6 is very likely. And then in $6, we'll definitely get some kind of reaction at that price level on Kadena. But long term, I think Kadena is an insane project. These are accumulation zones, no doubt about that. Kadena did go all the way up to almost $30. So yeah, it's down. Let me just take a look at the percentage, because this one's down right now 80%. You know, usually altcoins, you know, can go 80, 90, even 95% down from its current all-time high. But I think 80 cent is already, you know, a pretty decent correction, especially for this huge L1 project to start accumulating. These are the ones, I think a lot of the L1s are going to do insanely well in the next run-up. When is that run-up going to be? Well, nobody really knows, but L1s and L2s, Kadena, Algorand, you know, all of these L1s are going to do absolutely amazing in my opinion. So anyway, let's do the giveaway, guys. Let's do the giveaway. Giveaway always ready to give. Absolutely, guys. It is time to give back to the insane community that has been supporting me. Obviously, everybody is eligible, okay? Everybody is eligible. If my mum comments in the video down below and she wins, yeah, it is what it is. Because this is a random comment picker, okay? And I'm going to do this right now. So let's get yesterday's video, which was this one with over 1,500 likes. I did see that I do have some, you know, a few scam comments, okay? So we might see a scam comment being the winner, but we'll just change till we see, you know, the winner. If you haven't commented on yesterday's video, now is the moment. I'm going to do it right now. Right. Comment disabled. This means we can't get any comments from this video. Please enable the comment again to... Right, the comment section is enabled. Right, we're having some technical issues here for the giveaway right now. What's going on? Hang on one second, guys. This didn't happen the other day. Filter duplicate users. No. Okay, this one's not working for some reason. Right, why isn't this working? We're having some technical issues right now. Let's just try and find another random comment picker. All right, this is for Facebook. Comment picker, Facebook, YouTube. Right, let's see if this one works right now. Okay, we're having some technical issues here live. I don't know why this is not working. Let's try another one. YouTube random comment picker. Okay, it is not working. We cannot do the giveaway. We cannot do the giveaway. It's not working. So yeah, let me just double check with this 1 second, guys, because I want to do the giveaway live right now. So for some reason, this is not working. Hang on 1 second, guys. Let's see if we can do the giveaway. Come on, why isn't it working? It did work perfectly just last week for the other giveaway. So why isn't it working for this one? Let's see. Let's see if this URL works. Yes, right. I've got it. 195 comments. I think, you know, a lot of them are going to be scams also. Let's start the giveaway. We're ready. We're ready, guys. Mods chat. Right. And check in locked comments on the video. I not close it and open again. Right. Yes, we're ready. We're ready. Guys, let's see who's going to be the winner for the Bitcoin giveaway. Remember, whoever is chosen needs to contact me in the official Telegram group down below in the description. I am an admin there. You need to tag me, or you can tag one of the moderators, and you just DM your private Bitcoin wallet, and I'll be sending you some Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's see if it's not a scam comment. Right, Den, I hope I am lucky in this giveaway. Den is the winner of the giveaway in Bitcoin. His comment is, I hope I'm lucky in this giveaway. Well, yes, you were. You are the winner. Den, make sure to contact me in the Telegram group. Okay, you can tag one of the moderators, send me your Bitcoin address wallet, and I'll be sending you some BTC. Okay, let's go. Let's continue with the live stream. Yeah, you have the official Telegram group. So yes, the official Telegram is in the comment section right now. If not, it's down below in the description. Right, let's go. Tog, awesome, Andy. I will be announcing, you know, the Den. I'll be saying it in tomorrow's video and also in after tomorrow's video and live stream. Okay, just a quick, you know, just a quick reminder. If you don't claim your BTC or, you know, DM me on the Telegram group, we'll be doing another giveaway, of course. So yeah, you have 48 hours from now. So anyway, let's see if Den does get in contact with me. Let's scroll down here through the comment section. BTC 41K, new daily high. Okay, new daily high on Bitcoin. Okay, yeah, new from today. It is very true. We've got a new daily daily high printed on BTC. Let's see what happens. You've got a strong daily level right over here, as you can see on the chart. Okay, we're currently retesting this daily level. We got the daily close and open, okay, from the 21st till the 22nd of March, right over there, currently getting that reaction from that range. So it's going to be pretty interesting if we're going to manage to break it or not. Let's see. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. Let's see if we can get some more pumpy action. I know that 42.5 is huge resistance. So if we do see a big, massive pump up there and start getting these wicks in the next coming hours, or you know, in between today and tomorrow, I'm definitely taking profits from my long here, and I would, you know, protect this position and consider a hedge short right there. Let's see what happens, all depending on how we react at 42k range if we do manage to get up there. Let's take a look at congrats, go buy some pizza. Yeah, buy some pizza with Bitcoin. Right, let's take a look at can you look at into XRP? Absolutely. I mean, XRP was a little bit of I mean, there's something good about this. There is something good about this. We just zoom out here. I mean, XRP, it's not my favorite crypto. Extremely volatile. Not too much volume on the moves. It just. But by the looks of things here on XRP. I mean, I don't know why I've got this on the daily. I mean, the proper one would be there. It's just in a big, massive consolidation. We do know that the case for XRP with the SEC has been solved. Not too much of a price reaction on that. I mean, it's just such a messy chart. It's just such a messy chart. Nothing to see on the volume, on the RSI. Let me just check here, because I think there was a harmonic potential pattern right there. From this, from here to here, here. I mean, we were in this very nice uptrend. We failed to break this major resistance. I know that was a total disappointment. It would have been nice to see a breakout here, you know, if this being a kind of a cup and handle pattern, right? But yeah, we just continued down. It would be nice to see a breakout and a retest to this range. Then this kind of price action would have been looking very, very nice. But yeah, that did not happen. So far it's not looking great for XRP. We had a pretty nice uptrend channel here on XRP. It was kind of something like this. Right, well, we did have these higher highs, higher lows right there, and then since we broke it, it's just been going down. I mean, I think it can go lower. It can have a relief rally, but obviously breaking, you know, this kind of ascending channel over here. Nice consolidation. I was expecting this to actually have a pop to the upside, but that did not happen. Yeah, XRP, nothing much to say about XRP. Just it's extremely volatile. I think it might continue to the downside. It might have a relief rally and then continue down. That's my personal opinion on this. So yeah, let's take a look. Can you look at, can you check VET, says Tiffany. Absolutely, let's take a look at Vechain. Vechain, I still got some Vechain on my portfolio. I did sell some back in April of 2021. But I do still have a big bunch of Vechains. Vechain, we spotted this very nice descending wedge inside of here. I mean, I'm going to start getting this out of the way, I think. But nice descending wedge, nice bullish divergence on the daily. I don't pay too much attention on these, you know, RSI divergence, especially not anymore on the 1 hourly, at least from the 4 hourly if we do see sideways action and price exhaustion. If not, I do not pay attention to this. You know, it's not a very reliable indicator. On the daily, it's pretty reliable in my opinion if we do see exhaustion. So in the case of, you know, this descending wedge, okay, you need to see a lot of confluence. If you have the descending wedge and you have bullish divergence and you add up some stuff, then yes, I mean, this is good to add up to other things such as this descending wedge and major support levels. So I think we must have had some divergence right over here, I guess on the 4 hourly, where we started to have that correction. What could happen right now? I mean, we are hitting a great level, no doubt about that. You know, if you want to be bearish at this range, you know, this is not the time to be bearish. If you want to be bearish, you want to be bearish right over here when you start hitting major resistance levels. Okay, as you can see, I had this green horizontal line. The reason why, you have this stop over here, breakdown, you retest it as resistance. So that is a major level. And if you start creating a massive, you know, pumpy action like this and create this high, this slightly higher high over here at this resistance, come back down it and retest it as resistance again coming down, you know, this is a clear sign of, you know, price has the bulls have been exhausted at this range. I mean, shorting here would have been absolutely phenomenal. I did have this line over here, and the reason why was because of the bearish divergence on the 4 hourly, which helps. Okay, it helps. It's just I'm gonna say it, you know, it's just such a crappy indicator. If you're relying on these divergence only, yeah, I mean, you're definitely yeah, you're just basically going to lose money if you just rely on this to short or long. But if you add up different things such as hitting major resistance, you've had a massive big pump like this, you know, for, you know, a couple of weeks. You're hitting major resistance. You know, if you add up quite a few things, then obviously, you know, this resistance was absolutely phenomenal on Vechain, which is the 8.2 cents, exactly 82.2 cents. Where you break above it, you fail, you come back down, you retest it as resistance, confirming, you know, this is already a massive big bearish sign. You could be looking for that, you know, nice correction, at least to retest, you know, the 7 cents range. We broke 7 cents here, got resistance, came back down. Now, if anything, this is a time to be bullish. This is a time to be bullish at this level. Why? Because you basically had a big massive run up in March. You've had a nice corrective, you know, 10 days in April. You know, is it time to be bearish here? No, it's time to be bearish here. Here it's time to start, you know, being a little bit bullish. A lot of people scared, a lot of people, you know, extremely bearish, already calling for, you know, 30k Bitcoin. Yeah, this is the moment you want to start being bullish, especially when you're hitting major levels. Now, the 5.5 cent range in between 5 and 6 cents is extreme support level, being big resistance, being support right now. Nice big retracement. I mean, a relief rally all the way up to 7 cents is very likely, or 6.96 cents. Very likely here for Vechain. Now, if we are going to create a lower high there, then yeah, it's probable, and we are going to go to lower levels, all depending to see what Bitcoin and the sentiment is. But so far, it looks pretty good. Slightly below the 618, the 0.65 as well. And you know, if we well, this is the thing, you know, if we take the ultimate low bottom, we are hitting the 618 to perfection. If anything, I would be looking for longs here. We've got big support. Okay, I would be very cautious. As soon as you start getting in profits nicely, I would start, yeah, protecting my position straight away. tight stop loss, you know, a nice stop loss would be here around about the 5.4, just below this peak right there. Got nice resistance. I'm talking about the 5.5, 6 cent level is very nice support level. We're hitting the 618 from the ultimate bottom. Okay, you could arguably discuss that you take the fib levels from here, but if you take it from the ultimate bottom, you know, you could go to the daily and take it from the ultimate bottom from this wick. You are hitting a very, very interesting range. 618 right over here. You're hitting this resistance zone as support. You got higher volume from the pump. This correction, volume's going low. I mean, everything indicates that that potential rally, at least to the 7 cents, is very, very likely. Then you could roll back down, maybe break it, but this is why you take profits, you protect your position, then the price can dance around or do whatever it wants. So that's my take here on Vechain. It looks pretty nice. It looks pretty nice. I would consider maybe to long in this. I might do after the live stream. So Solana, please do, says Graham. Absolutely. Let's take a look at Solana. Dot was being checked. Dot was checked in today's video update. We can do another update right now. Andy, if BTC bounces here, where do you see it traveling considering the current market climate? Thanks for all of your hard work, man. You're very welcome. I'm just giving educational content here, some potential patterns, levels, my personal opinion only. Nobody knows what the price is going to do. And whoever says he knows, whoever says Bitcoin's going to $30,000 or Bitcoin is going to $100,000, you need to run away because nobody really knows. But we can, you know, take advantage of some major levels, probabilities, protect your position. I mean, you can make money in this market, no doubt about that. I mean, I've been wrong with some predictions here. Let me just go through my trading between March. Just, you know, so I mean, we were doing pretty well here at this range. The only range I started to have bad predictions was at, you know, this retracement, you know, expecting a potential bounce at 44.5, but I was in a hedge position here, so I managed to make some money actually, even though this was a bad prediction of getting a bounce at the 44.5. Where was my next potential bounce? At the $42,000, because, you know, big RSI levels, bing bang, resistance turning into support. So I did get into a long position at ultimate low. I did actually show this on my videos or live streams. It must have been the 8th or the 9th of April approximately. Managed to catch that fall, expecting that bounce, right? I was expecting that bounce from this range, $42,000. Thinking we were going to go to higher levels, thinking that we are actually maybe going to retest the highs. Did that work out? No, it did not. Did I lose money? No, I didn't, because I longed here as soon as we were pumping. Stop loss at break even, and I got stopped out, okay, at break even, and the price just absolutely collapsed. But this is the thing, you know, you can, you know, analyze the chart, you know, it doesn't matter. You don't have to be the best analyst to make money trading, okay? You can be a really good trader and a average analyst. You know, if you know how to protect your capital, you know how to, you know, place your stops, your take profit areas, then yeah, you don't have to be the best analyst. There are very, very good technical analysts out there that have no idea to trade. And my emotions have been very, very bashed in the past. I've lost a lot of money, and yeah, this is just building up, you know, making small profits, and that's about it. You don't have to be the best analyst. So this is the thing, you know, I managed to nail some pretty good trades here, longing from this range, taking profits at this level, and actually longing and shorting here at the same time for a hedge position, just in case we did have that breakout. Long got stopped out here at a small loss, managed to ride all this short position all the way down here, and then the long positions from here, I got stopped out at break even. So even though that this was a bad analysis, I did not lose money going from here. In the case of Bitcoin, there were some altcoins that I did get some small losses. So yes, let me take a look at the comment section here. Mods chat. Let's take a look at the mods chat. Damn, I really got lucky this time. Yes, sir. Den is in the comment section. Right, Den. I mean, you need to. Have you got a Telegram? Make sure to. If you haven't got a Telegram, it is about time you make a Telegram. And you need. It's easy. Okay, easy to do a Telegram if you haven't got. Go to the official Bitcoinsensus Telegram group down below, Den, and you need to, you know, get in contact with me. Just send me a DM. Send me your wallet. Send me your ID. Where are you from? I need proof it is you. So yeah, just tag me in the Telegram group. The moderators will help you out. They will let you know who is the real Andy Bitcoinsensus and not a scammer. So let me just scroll down here through the comment section. Jersey says, can you do XTZ and link, please? Absolutely. Let's take a look. It is preferable that we do one crypto per super chat, of course, but anyway, we'll take a look at both. So yeah, we've seen Bitcoin pumping, managing to break this daily level. I'm not sure if there's huge volume on this breakout. Let me just take a look at the 15-minute chart. There's not a huge amount of volume right over here. It's going to be pretty interesting right now. The good thing that there's hardly any volume traded in between 42 and down to the $40,000 range. Let me just take a look at, I think we're pretty good here. We're breaking above the 618 levels. Okay, not looking too bad. Not looking too bad here. But let's take a look at these cryptos here for Jersey. Tezos. Let's take a look at Tezos. Wow, long time since I haven't checked out Tezos. Kind of saw a few ascending broadening wedges. They both broke to the downside. Tezos. I mean, this has been such a miserable cryptocurrency. I hope it does well in the near future. This right over here is signs of a potential bottom on Tezos. Reason why is because you can see the price action getting kind of exhausted here. You're forming a nice kind of look at the highs. Look how the highs are forming a round formation. So this could consolidate here for another few weeks before you might see some price action to the upside. It is basically at floor levels. A lot of volume has been traded here around about the $2.50 and $3 range, as you can see. Long time at these levels. Big spike on the VPVR. It is basically at floor levels. I think people are not interested in selling at these low levels. So there is a possibility that this is basically, yeah, floor range. This doesn't look too bad. We can zoom in on the 4 hourly and it's aggressively still creating lower highs, right? But we are also creating kind of higher lows right over here. I think Tezos does have a chance to have a rally from this range, at least, I would say, to this level over here. That is a big resistance range. I would be aiming for that 618 level. It is exactly at that range. 618 from this big massive drop, a potential relief rally to hit about the $3.60 is very possible. I'm starting to like this consolidation. Big spike on the VPVR at this range. I think there's no selling interest at this level. There's just no selling interest. So there might be a huge amount of selling interest at this range at $3.60. Not looking too bad. Not looking too bad. We can zoom in here on the 1 hourly and it does look like big bullish divergence on the 1 hourly. But anyway, we know that's not hugely reliable. But it does look like we're forming a kind of a, yeah, it's breaking out of a major channel right now on Tezos. This is on the 1 hourly. So expect Tezos at least maybe to come to the $3.40. Not too much volume. Okay, I wouldn't get too excited from this breakout. Let me just take a look at Tezos on the Bybit chart. Yeah, not insane amount of volume here on this move. I would stay extremely cautious. This could be a big fat fake out, but you can see that we are kind of breaking of this descending channel on Tezos, right? You're breaking the lower high resistance. I think a confirmation of a breakout would be getting above this level. Under that, it could be a big fake out, especially with low volume. But if this were to be a descending broadening wedge, then target could be the top of the wedge. Or if it's a channel, we could get the width of the channel for a potential impulsive move from the breakout, which would be just slightly under $3.40. So far, Tezos not looking too bad. It would be nice for a confirmation breaking this resistance. And what could happen here is basically you could be creating an ascending triangle, okay? Where you are creating higher lows right there. We are maybe going to retest the $3.19, $3.20 on Tezos, get a big rejection, and then potentially get a bounce from the resistance of the lower highs inside of this symmetrical triangle, ascending triangle, sorry. So far, this looks like it can have an impulsive move to the upside. So yeah, that's what I got here for Tezos. Let me just go through Link right away, and then I'll take a look at the other super chat. And guys, thank you very much for the insane support. Super chat, smashing up the like button, smash up that like button down below. Very much appreciated, guys. And let's go through Link. My goodness, Link. There is really good news on Link. I like to follow some Link news every week, as it is the biggest holding that I have in my portfolio. Just for anyone that doesn't know that, any new subscribers, I know my moderators are tired of hearing me talk about Chainlink or analyzing Chainlink, and they know that Chainlink is my biggest holding. But yeah, for any new subscribers, I have 30% of my portfolio that is Chainlink. I'm a very, very strong Chainlink believer. I believe in the tech. They need to get better their tokenomics a little bit, but anyway, I think they will manage pretty nicely. So let's take a look at Chainlink, zoom out, and I mean, Chainlink has been looking pretty good since this range. We found a descending wedge, huge descending wedge scenario, and we had a descending wedge inside of the descending wedge. So far, this was looking pretty good. I remember analyzing Chainlink at this range where I have this blue line over here, because we were talking about, you know, this is getting exhausted. We get a massive big daily wick here. You're starting to consolidate at this range, and basically also something to help out, also something to add was obviously the bullish divergence on the daily. We were higher lows on the RSI, lower lows, and we had a pretty explosive breakout. We did not reach the technical target if you were to look at this descending wedge, which would be the top of the wedge, exactly at around about the $19-20. So, you know, what if Bitcoin is going to get a pretty nice Bitcoin Chainlink? I mean, also Bitcoin. What if Bitcoin does get a rally to, you know, 44.5 in the next few days? I'm not sure if Chainlink will have enough steam to go to much higher levels. But if I zoom out here on Chainlink, connecting this high to this lower high to the next lower high around over here, where we did get a reaction, broke out, we're kind of retesting the resistance, right, into support. So a potential bounce is possible. It's very, very possible. Now, if we go to the 4 hourly, zoom in, it's not going to be easy work. It's not going to be easy work. A relief rally is imminent by looking at this consolidation. We could get stopped at the $15.20 range, $15.20, $15.50. In between that level, this box area, on looking at the 4 hourly, you know, that is maybe a level that we want to potentially short, okay, on Chainlink. Let's see how we arrive to that range. But I do see that bounce. I do see that bounce coming. Nice spike on the VPVR at this range from volume traded in between February till today. Got a spike there, and we have a huge spike here at $15.30. So yeah, definitely that is going to be a big level for Chainlink, and we're probably going to just create a lower high in this range and continue to the downside. But at this point, I'm bullish in the immediate short term. Maybe at $15.20, $15.30. Yeah, I will consider that as a major big level where we could roll back down to retest these lows and potentially break it. So that's my analysis on Chainlink. Short term looks bullish. Yes sir, yes sir. If it goes to $100 ever, I'm gonna request a Lambo with popcorn machine in the trunk from Andy. I don't care. Absolutely. I mean, this is the thing. You know, for any new subscribers, I've told them, you know, I've been buying Chainlink since it was $1.60, and I did not sell any Chainlink at $53, which was the all-time high, or near $50 or $40. And I've told my community, my moderators, I am not selling Chainlink. I will ride it to zero if needed. So it's a portfolio. It's something I have there. So yeah, I don't really care. It's not nice seeing the price go down, but this is a long-term game for me. Chainlink is a long-term thing. So at least for the next 5 years, I will not pay attention until it hits $100. Then I would consider selling some. Bitcoin pumping. Yeah, I mean, I would stay super cautious. This could be a big short squeeze as well. The volume is not, it is okay. The volume's okay. But yeah, I would like to see Bitcoin going to higher levels. I would be looking at that 42.5. I think we're basically getting rejected now from this range. It's the 618 getting quite rejected. 618 from this last drop here, looking at the 1 hourly. So this consolidation, the big drop here, 618 level. This is the area where we're getting consolidation. But it's good. We're breaking some resistance levels. This is good to see. Let's see if we do manage to close a nice 1 hourly candle well above the $41,000. Currently, we're just around that range. If we do go up to the $42,000, then yeah, I would be considering taking some profits and protecting. Well, my position is protected already, but definitely taking profits at 42.5. Insane resistance level. Do you think the dollar is yet to rise? Looks bullish on the 15-minute time frame. DXY is falling. I think the top is in because we have ascending broadening wedge on the weekly. Good days for crypto are coming, says Mladen. Maybe. I mean, this is the thing. The DXY has been pumping like crazy for months now. So it's had a pretty aggressive drop right now today. I mean, this is obviously, we did have some news of the inflation. It's at 8.5, and I think this is not true. The inflation must be a little bit more higher. I think it's over 10%. And yeah, I mean, this is not, I think this is ready for some type of correction. You know, this is going a little bit parabolic, and we know what happens to parabolic things. What happens to parabolic things? Yeah, they come down. Parabolic pumps, they come down. So yeah, how far this can go in the next couple of months? Can it go to 105? You know, continuing parabolic? I don't think so. So maybe, yeah, maybe we're going to have good times for crypto. DXY is having divergence. Okay, something to add here on the daily. It is having some divergence. That is true. We are seeing some daily divergence, which is nice to see. Yeah, we could see a corrective DXY for the next few weeks. Where's Rene Montenegro? Well, yeah, Rene Montenegro, the extreme bear of the community. Let me take a look at the super chat here from Crypto Julio. Hello, Andy. Thanks for all of your analysis. Can you take a look at Betpro? Interested to see what you think about it. Betpro. Okay. I'm not doing project reviews, but we can do some analysis on the chart. Betpro network. Okay. Betpro network. I will take a look at this one. Autonomous protocol for decentralized development. Okay, I will take a look at this. Let's see if we do have some price data here on the chart, and let's see how Betpro is performing. Betpro. Yeah, Betpro. Oh, sorry. Betpro US dollar on Qcoin. Okay, it seems like we did do analysis on Betpro at some point. I do have some lines here. I think we were talking about this kind of descending triangle. We just about hit that range. It had a big aggressive pump, came straight back down. This one looks pretty solid for another pump. We are in an aggressive descending kind of triangle, right? Lower highs, aggressive lower highs. But we've found a very nice bottom right there, which is the summer lows. Nice bottom over here. And we did see some pumpy action with high volume. Let me just go to the 4-hourly chart. Let's do some short-term analysis on this. And on the 4-hourly chart, I mean, volume is great here to the upside. Volume is going down on the correction. So big spike in volume going up. Volume is decreasing, and it's decreasing while we're retracing. What else can we see here on the 4-hourly? We actually got a pretty nice bounce from this zone. What zone? This is the 0.00447 cent range. We do have this spike, we have this spike, we have this spike. So this range, this consolidation range is holding pretty nicely. It's having a little bit of a pump right now. This one could pump and try and retest this high zone. Very, very possible. At least to the 618. Very, very possible. Just because it's retraced already. I would have liked to see Betpro doing a little bit more sideways action, because this could be just another lower high from this corrective move and continue down. A little bit of more sideways action for a few days would be ideal to detect that potential bottom. But I will be doing. I will take a look at this altcoin. Why not? Right, let me 200 likes reached. Yes, over 200. We can get 250 likes. Altcoin season started. We are all going to be rich, as Huffy. Yeah. Yeah, we get a little bit of pumpy action, and a lot of people get excited, right? Yeah, but anyway, this was pretty insane. I was expecting a little bit of more volatility to the downside. It was pretty insane how we basically mirrored this price action over here. This price action from January, okay, and May, is basically kind of mirroring this price action. Look at this. You know, even the way up is very, very similar. High, lower high, and a massive, you know, the price action to the downside is also very, very similar. We are getting that big, massive bounce. Okay, you could arguably discuss that this range and the drop has already happened. What happened after this kind of price action? Well, we got that relief rally also from this low, big massive relief rally pump. Where did it pump to? Well, it pumped to about the 382. It's my blind guess from this high. If we could take it from this high to the lows, actually to the 50%, almost the 60. around about 50% Fibonacci retracement from this low. So if we were to kind of mirror this bounce, going from this lower high to the lows, you know, 50% would be all the way up at 43.3k levels. It's maybe possible. I know that 42.5 is insane resistance, so I'm definitely taking some profits at that level, because I know how this plays out. You know, this might hit that late range. You know, you get extremely bullish. Yes, we're going to the moon. We're going to go much higher, which is possible. I'm definitely taking some profits there. But then it rolls back down. Everybody's scared. Right. Hit that like button, guys. 41,300 will be bad resistance for Bitcoin. 0.5 fib retracement. 0.5 fib from this high, I guess. This is on the 4 hourly. Yeah, we're basically hitting that, you know, from the 4 hourly chart. If we take a look at this high to the low, then we're hitting that 50% Fibonacci retracement right there. I do see an attempt on hitting $42,000. So yes, guys, this right over here. Right. Let's take a look. Always carried away with your analysis. Keep the good work, Mr. Ripples. Thank you very much. Thank you very, very much. Try to be totally transparent here. I'm not, you know, a guru. I'm just looking at major levels, keeping it pretty simple. VPVR is one of my, you know, indicators that I really like. I'm also improving my technical analysis as well. There's always stuff to learn, always. So hopefully what I'm learning I can share with you guys, and I just want you to smash up the like button. And of course, if you are an experienced trader, you know, you got the links down below. You got insane bonuses such for, you know, for Bybit, for Prime XBT. You got really nice bonuses down below. I'm actually in a swing long position on the S&P 500 on Prime XBT. Reason why is because I think, yeah, we're basically in this descending broadening wedge. We're hitting major support levels right there. So we're hitting the support from this steep correction. And I think, you know, an attempt in hitting 4,500 points in the next coming days is very, very likely. So yeah, another way to support the channel, because I get a small commission, obviously, but you get the best bonus available. This is for experienced traders only on Prime XBT. You do get 7% added to your deposit. I have full video tutorials down below also to learn how to use this platform properly. Obviously, if you're not experienced, you know, you can deposit as low as, you know, $20 or $50, you know, just something small if you want to practice, you know, get your emotions there, try and control your emotions, get into really good entries and exit points. Anyway, you know the deal. But for experienced traders, these platforms are absolutely great. Prime XBT, you can trade oil, gold, there's Forex, there's S&P 500, DAX, you know, there's even the Spanish stock market. And the fees are really low for these assets. For crypto, for swing trading, it's a little bit expensive. You can day trade with crypto, but if you have a position open for 2 weeks, the fees are a little bit expensive. They eat up your, and I've got to say this, you know, the fees are expensive. I do support this platform. I do use it, but for crypto, for swing trading, yeah, it's a little bit of a rip-off. But don't say this to the Prime XBT guys. But Bybit is my favorite swing trading platform. The fees are so cheap on this that is absolutely insane. This costs peanuts. It costs you just, you know, even cents or just a few dollars to have a position open. And yeah, basically this is my favorite swing trading platform, and you have the insane bonus down below to claim up to $4,620 worth of bonus to claim. And it's another way to support the channel. Okay, so something that I wanted to point out there. And Andy, can you please take a look at one? Absolutely. Right, Seb says, I'm a trader now. I traded my money for losses. Okay. Let's take a look at OneCoin. OneCoin is very interesting L1 project, and I think this one is also going to do very, very well in the next run up, in the next bull run. There is a very interesting pattern here, which I'm absolutely going to long right now. I really feel like long in this crypto, having a swing trade long for OneCoin, because this is a Gartley pattern and it's to perfection, at least on the Binance chart. This is a perfect Gartley pattern that's at the D point right now. We are retesting this low, retesting this low, retesting this low. We're not managing to break this low over here, which is this a sign? Is this a sign that this is going to be a triple bottom? We had a double bottom, Adam and Eve situation right there, where you have a big spike, a nice round formation. Is this just to scare the people and it's going to be a triple bottom? I don't know. It's hitting to perfection, that 0.79, and this is the key level for the Gartley pattern. I'm not sure if you guys can see this. And I'm going from the ultimate low from the summer of 2021. Let me just get the Gartley pattern, guys, just in case. I mean, you're not familiar with the harmonics. I just want to get the Gartley pattern out here. And this correction from the summer lows to the all-time high, this correction is not too important. It can be in between the 382 and the 0.88, if I'm not wrong. Let me just double check that on the Gartley pattern. Yeah, but round about the 618 is ideal. We can see it's, you know, the volatility is round about that 0.63 approximately, a little bit of volatility. That stop round about that 618 area. So and basically the C point with the B to C, the maximum would be the 0.88, and we just hit the 0.88 to perfection here on the Binance chart. And guess what? We lost the low, the B point to the D point, and it is the 0.79, okay, 0.78, 0.6, so it's 0.786, which is 0.79 basically. And we're just hitting that range and consolidating at that range to perfection. You know, I don't know. I think this is a potential swing long opportunity. Anyway, that's my opinion. I might open a swing long opportunity here on Harmony 1 because it can be traded on Bybit. Bybit does have one, and I'm just showing you what I am going to do. Okay, I don't know why this is not coming up, but anyway, never mind. Yeah, I think one is available here on Bybit. Just something that I wanted to point out. It had a brilliant short position here, a short opportunity, a little bit risky, but from this consolidation range here, around about that 16-17 cent level, we broke it, we came back up, classic technical analysis, support turns into resistance, come back down to retest the lows, double bottom, you know, exit point because you don't know if you're going to break it, and then back up here. It looked like it was a very nice double bottom, got back down. So yeah, will we manage to create a double bottom? We could still have volatility. If we start losing this low over here, then this harmonic will be invalidated. We cannot go much lower than the 0.8 Fibonacci retracement. And basically all of these levels, they are Fibonacci levels. They're just Fibonacci levels. In the case of this Gartley pattern, it's going from the summer lows to the all-time high, and the 7.9 is basically, you know, the fib level from the lows of the summer to the highs, right? This is why you get this 7.9 range. So that's what I got here for OneCoin. I mean, this looks very, very exciting. I might put a low leverage swing long position, okay? And the invalidation point for me already, it would be, you know, getting at the 0.85. If we do go to the 0.85 Fibonacci retracement, it would be much an invalidation Gartley pattern. But anyway, something that I wanted to point out there. Andy, can you please take a look at DOP? DOP, how about Zilliqud, my dude? Absolutely. Let's take a look at ZIL. DOP, I'm not sure what DOP is, but what you guys need to do is smash up that like button. It would be nice. We did analyze Silica yesterday or before yesterday, I think, and it would be nice to see Silica to come slightly a little bit lower to retest the lows here. But we do have big volume. I mean, this is the thing. We got big volume on Silica at this range. This is backing up this level. I mean, a potential bounce looks imminent on Silica. I like the nice round formation here. Losing a little bit of steam, the bears. It would be nice to see a little bit of more sideways action and a slightly higher low, a little bit of more round formation here. Then I would be pretty confident for a long position. It seems a little bit too soon here. Still creating aggressive lower lows, but it looks pretty exciting. Andy, what do you think of the future of VidT? I think it's a great project. I haven't done much research on it, but I remember this one having a massive big spike at some point. I remember there was a moment where a lot of people were talking about it. I know Crypto Zombie was talking about this one when it was very low in price. It was just a few cents when Crypto Zombie was talking about this crypto project. I'm actually going to do some research on this, because I think video streaming is very important also in the cryptocurrency space. Guys, this is... Can you please take a look at DOP? It's a very low small cap. It is going against JPEG. Okay, let's take a look. DOP. We've got a few DOPs here. Doppel Finance drops ownership power. You need to let me know which one it is. But anyway, I'm gonna finish off the live stream, guys. I've been over an hour now, I think, and yeah, I'm getting a little bit tired. So make sure to stay cautious on Bitcoin. I've told you the scenarios that I expect. Make sure to do your own analysis. Big resistance levels above us. We're trying to get above this daily level. Of course, if we close below this daily range, which is exactly at what is the open here, 40,871. So let me just put this here. 4,871 would be the exact. Whoops. Right, I fucked up there. Let me just put this back again here. This daily level. If we do 871, if we do break, if we do close this daily below 40,870, it's not going to be looking good for the next day. I think tomorrow we could see that correction. If we close above it, I think we do have a chance to go to much higher levels. Let's see what happens. Anyway, guys, thank you very much. 4 hourly close in 2 minutes. Volume looks pretty good. Volume looks pretty okay. Thank you, guys. Check out Bitcoinsensus website. I hope Den reaches me on Telegram. I'll be sending him in some Bitcoin. I will be doing another giveaway during the week. Of course, I think I'm going to put it a little bit harder because, you know, this was pretty easy. 1,500 likes. We're going to make it to 2,000 likes. Jack and Aggie. And guess who I've got here, guys? Guess who I've got here? I got the Beagle. I got the Beagle. Beagle analysis. All right, then. Enough you. Thank you, guys. Stay extremely safe with trading. I've given you my analysis. I think S&P 500 has a potential bounce from this level. Check out Bitcoinsensus website for the latest news articles here that we post every day. Totally free information. You got the links down below for insane bonuses on the exchanges. Thank you, guys, and I will see you in the next one.